Welcome to the explanation of the SmartDots maturity module. When you open the SmartDots software, you come to this event overview page where you can select the event of your choice, simply by double-clicking on the event or by clicking once and going to this Analyze button. Then you get this page. Here in the upper left, you have the sample list panel where you can see the fish ID of all your samples and several columns with data. If you don't want to see all these columns, you can simply remove them by clicking left and dragging them up here in the header. So this is what I am doing now. And if you want to retrieve those columns because you want to see them afterwards, you can left click in the header here, show column chooser, and then drag the column back in here. As you can see, you can also filter each column by clicking on this pin here. This is the case for all columns. For example, if you only want to see samples from one catch date, you can simply click here, and then you only get the samples of this specific catch date, and you can also set your own filter rules. You can also sort by clicking on the right of the column, and then you will see this arrow here. Or you can also do it here in the first column. In the first column, you can see the status of your samples. Red means that you have to start with the sample, still to do. Orange means that it is work in progress. It means that you already annotated, but you didn't approve the sample. And green means that you are ready with the sample, so you annotated it and you approved it. Below the sample list, you have the sample pictures. So you have all the pictures linked to one fish. So if you see here, you can scroll like this, then you will see all the pictures. You can also see in this last column how many pictures there are for each fish. And if you're not so happy with the layout of this, you can left click and drag this. For example, over here, you can choose I want to put it left, up, right, or down. So if I want to put it up, I go here, and then you will see that the layout changed and that all the images are placed here. You can also easily restore the original settings by clicking setting and clicking restore layout, and then you will come back to the original layout. So here you can see the picture you selected, so you can easily select another picture by scrolling and clicking on the picture you want to see. So here you can change the brightness and easily reset it by clicking on the arrow. The same for the contrast. You have some buttons here. The first one is to set the scale. You can detect scale automatically, but this is only possible if there is a scale on the image, which is not the case here. But you can also set the scale manually by clicking here. And then you can, for example, say set length of scale to 1. You pick unit in centimeter, and then you can, for example, use this ruler here to draw the line simply by clicking, and then you will see that 1 centimeter corresponds to 116 pixels, and you will also see it over here, down here. If you want, you can also make the image bigger or smaller. So you have a lot of features here which can help you to set to improve the image as you wish. Here below we have the annotation field where you can see the fish ID, the species, the catch date, length, area, and preparation information, and then you can annotate your sample. This one was already annotated. It is green. Now I will come to this one, which is already annotated but not approved. So I will quickly approve it. Simply click the button approve. And then we have 2 samples left in this exercise. Come to the annotation field. It's very simple. You just click on the arrow. You choose the 6 from the drop-down list, the maturity stage you think this fish is, and then you set the quality and you approve the sample. And then you can also do this for the last sample, where you can put 6, the maturity stage, the quality, and you also have an option to add comments. And then when I approve the last samples, then you get this event, this pop-up message to finish the event. Then you can push yes. And once you finish the event, you have the option to go out of the event. Now you can see that you finished the event, that you made 10 annotations for 10 fishes. And when you go in again, you can go to the All tab. And there, if other participants in the event already have annotated here, you can see also their results. So this is the advantage of this All tab. That was it. Thank you.